Are you tired of clicking through the Google Admin Console hundreds of times just to update or create multiple entries? Meet SheetOps, the Google Sheets add-on that lets you manage your workspace directory at spreadsheet speed. To bulk create users in Google Workspace, open your Google Sheet and navigate to Extensions, SheetOps, Users. A dialog box will open with options to fetch existing users or generate a clean template. If you only want to create new users, select just the sheet. You can also filter and fetch users by organizational unit, manager report chain, or user type. If you have a smaller workspace or want to see existing accounts, select Fetch All Users. Either way, you can create new users directly from this sheet. Since this test account only has one user, I will select Fetch All Users. Now that the accounts in our domain are loaded into the sheet, let's quickly cross-check with the Google Admin Console. Everything matches. You can hover over the column headers to see which fields are required. To create a user, you will need an email, first name, last name, and a password. I have prepared some dummy data to create multiple user accounts. For passwords, we will be using a simple formula. You can copy it from the description below. Before pasting data into the SheetOps template, make sure to insert raw password strings rather than dynamic formulas. You can do this by copying your generated passwords and pasting them as values only. Let's paste the data into the SheetOps template. Notice how the cells automatically highlight in yellow? This indicates pending changes waiting to be processed. Optionally, you can set the change password next login column to yes to force new users to update their password when they first sign in. To mark these rows for creation, we need to check the boxes in the Apply Changes column. You can click and drag across the checkboxes or select the first checkbox, hold Shift and click the last one. Then press spacebar to toggle all selected checkboxes at once. Pressing spacebar triggers the confirmation prompt. Since we are creating new users, select Yes. SheetOps will now send API requests to create each user sequentially. As each account is created, the yellow highlight disappears and a green success message appears in the changelog column. Now that all users are processed, let's switch back to the Google Admin Console and refresh the page. As you can see, all new users have been successfully created. SheetOps directly connects with official directory APIs from your Google Sheet for data fetching and update. Hence, none of your data leaves your Google account. SheetOps will connect with its backend server only to verify your license status. Install SheetOps now from Google Workspace Marketplace. Link in the description below.